Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a sales dashboard in Salesforce developer. So what we'll do is log into developer edition of Salesforce, and then we will click on app launcher. Now here we have to click on this sales option here. That should open up sales dashboard in the same tab. Okay, now here you see on the top navigation you have a lot of options, out of which we have to click on dashboards. Okay, this is specific to sales, so you can verify by looking at the left hand side sales word here. Okay, now here you see already there is one dashboard. I can create a new one by clicking on new dashboard button. Now here we have to name the dashboard, so let's name this my dash or my sales dash. Okay, you can add the description, also select the folder where you wish to add your dashboard. So by default it goes to a private dashboard. Click on create. Okay, now here you can simply add components to your dashboard by clicking on component. Then let's say if I want to add a leads or lead source group, simply click on select. Okay, then I can choose the chart. Okay, here you can see I already added the chart and I can save it. Okay, now you get the idea how to create a new dashboard in sales interface of Salesforce.